This 2015 Holiday Rambler Vacationer 36 SBT is a Class A RV. It is located in Opelousas, Louisiana, 70570 and is offered for sale by Courvelle's RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Holiday Rambler is 36 feet 3 inches in length and features a gateway gray interior, sleep 6, water heater, DVD player, TV, air conditioning, carbon monoxide detector, self-contained, skylight, LP detector, slide-out, stove top burner, and 85 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features outdoor entertainment. This 2015 Holiday Rambler Vacationer 36 SBT is built on a Ford chassis and is powered by a Triton engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.